Hey guys, B Twice here. Today is Tuesday, June 1st. We're going to be looking at SPY and QQQ for a quick update. Um, I actually thought we'd be ripping towards all-time highs today. It looks like we're pretty much gone sideways. We opened up to a pump and then we sold off. But basically what I'm seeing is that we're still in the move up for a wave 3. I'm seeing this entire structure as a 5-wave move up for a 1. Then we're likely going to see an A, B, C, a pullback for 2. So I do think that tomorrow we'll probably see a little bit more downside. Um, Technically, as long as we stay above this level here, where the wave 1 started, it's still valid. So about 417.50 or something like that. And I'll put up another update tomorrow as well. But either way, I'm seeing this as a 1. We're going to have an A, probably a pop back up and then some more downside, or maybe we'll just go sideways and then see a little bit more downside. And then from here, I do see us rallying to all-time highs for a 3, 4, 5 to give us our wave 3. We'll pull back probably a 3-wave, 3 or 7 swing down for a 4, up for a 5, which takes us to a 3. From there, we'll pull back for a 4, and ultimately up to the price target of 430. So I still do think that we're going to all-time highs. It's going to be a little bit choppy and a little bit more sideways than I'd like. I'd rather just rip up there and see it happen. But time will tell. But I do still think that we are heading up for all-time highs based on the price action today. So let's go ahead and look at QQQ. All right, so the Nasdaq. I looked at QQQ earlier, and I changed it up a little bit from what I had before. I had this as a wave 3, and we were going down for a 4. We actually popped higher this morning, so now what I'm seeing is a 1, 2. I'm seeing this as a 3. A, we're going up for B, and then I think we're going to see some more downside here. So ultimately, what I think is going to happen is we'll pull back to the 330 range. So we might have a pretty decent drop tomorrow. We might open up a little green, or maybe tonight after market will go green and then open up to dropping maybe a percent or something like that. People will think it's going to be a flush. It's actually probably going to be a decent time to buy the dip because ultimately I think we're going to go up to about 340. So if this thing can go down to 330, it might be worth watching, especially if it's a 3-wave move down. And if it is, could be a good spot to buy just to catch the ride up to 340 here in the next couple weeks. Ultimately, when we do hit this 340 range, when I think SPY's at all-time highs, I do think we're going to flush significantly. So got to be careful in this area. But if we can get a 3-wave move down, which I'm hopeful we'll see tomorrow, this will be a good buy spot. All right, guys. Well, if you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe.